flexing in my boat. Nigga, you can't test me, I'm the GOAT. Oh! I got the pep.
Boom! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, straight out of Jamaica. What's up to the UK viewers? What's up, guys? Now, I reacted to Stormzy, Scary, and I was trying really hard to like get the lyrics, like understand what he was saying, and it just was. Wait, comment on this video to see your comment to the next video that I post. Anyways, so I did a Stormzy Scary reaction. And I was trying to get the lyrics, bruh. And honestly, I wanted to sound like a UK man in it. Rude boy thing in it. Alright, we don't know. Someone commented under that video and said I should react to this one. Stormzy, Wiley flow, and this Wiley flow. Is it Wiley? Wiley? Stormzy. Another Stormzy song. Okay. And so I should react to this one because it has the lyrics on it. So I'm gonna see what's going on for this one. I hope it's like on the screen and not like anyways, let's just see what's popping, guys. Please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment some more UK rappers you want me to check out. Alright, now let's see what's popping, bruh. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Stormzy, you're still scary, bruh. Why are you walking like that, man? Like, oh, I'm finna cook some shit up right now, innit? I'm finna go in the studio right now, innit? Maybe this is a diss track or something, guys. Let me know. Is he dissing someone in this song? I'm not sure, but like, oh, I talk too much. Okay, yeah.
Bruv, I didn't look at it this way before, but as I approach my birthday, all you man.
Wiley, is that his real name? Is that his real name? I guess that's his real name because it's like he's talking right there. But all you man are my youngers. Alright, yes, I'm gonna start talking like y'all mofos in the UK right now. All you men are my youngers. Youngers are like these dudes on the street who be selling the coke and shit like that. Yeah, and the weed and shit. Youngers.
Are my youngers?
Yeah.
You man are my youngers, bro.
You man are my youngest, bro. You man are my youngest, bro. This gonna be a good ass video. Guys, I hope you are ready for this shit. All you men are my youngest. I'm finna start reacting some UK music just to speak like a UK guy.
If you can't do 10K first week, then I don't wanna hear no chat about numbers.
Hey.
You man are my youngers.
Hey.
All blacked out like grungers.
Okay, if you can't do 10K for the first week, I don't wanna hear no shit about you. I go already. Hey, wait. I'm gonna get this shit. I'm going right back in the song. I'm gonna go right back. So, if you can't do 10K first week, then I don't wanna hear no chat about numbers. If you can't do 10K first week, then I don't wanna hear no chat about numbers. You man are my youngest. If you can't do 10K first week, then I don't wanna hear. Then I don't wanna hear then I don't wanna hear no chat about numbers. You man are my youngest.
Chat about numbers. You man are my youngers.
Yeah.
All blacked out like grungers.
All blacked out like grungers. What the fuck is a grunger? You man are my youngers. All blacked out like grungers. Shit, yo. The only reason why I be doing when I'm reacting to this UK shit, guys, for my Jamaican audience, I'm extra like stop it just to like get what he's trying to say because I'm trying to like sound like them man in it. See me? Oh fuck! Alright, let's go. So 10 toes, 10 and 20s and hundreds. Why? I want to hear how he says this.
10s and 20s and hundreds.
10s and 20s and hundreds. 10s and 20s and hundreds. You man are my youngers. Blah 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 no grunders. 10s and 20s and hundreds. Let's go.
10s and 20s and thousands. I can't never just loud them.
Hey.
On Mount Everest shouting. Soon go
yeah, okay, I got that. I would if I wasn't reading the lyrics and shit, now I wouldn't hear what he said. That he actually said, on Mount Everest and shouting. Is that what he said? Soon go back to the mountains. Buckley and Mount Everest is shouting. Soon go back to the mountains. Oh yeah, listen to me pronounce the word mountains.
Mountains, third album, nigga, I blessed the beat with smoke. And my day one bros, they kept me close.
Yeah.
Then I think my technique take a toll. They're trying to get me on the road.
Yeah. Yeah. Yo, thank you for commenting this one, yo. Thank you for commenting this one in it. Thank you for commenting this one, rude boy. What do y'all say in the UK? Damn. Alright, guess what? I'm gonna call it my UK fans, my UK viewers, then I should say. My youngers. So thank you for commenting this Stormzy song, my youngers. Comment some more UK rappers from my youngers. No, that's not gonna work. Because a younger is a dealer. Hell no, I ain't calling y'all motherfuckers no dealer. Hell no. Let's see what's popping though.
Hey bro, got a special in this cold. So please man, let's just be a dope.
Special. Hey bro, got special in the code. What is a special? Let me go back and see what he said good. I want to get that shit. They're trying to get me on the ropes. Special. Then I spin my... What? In a talk. What? And my day one bros, they kept me close. Alright, let me see what's popping.
Me close, then I sit my technique take a toll. They're trying to get me on the ropes. Hey bro, got a special in this cold. So please man, let's just be adults.
Oh, okay. I guess he's clash. I think this is like a diss track, song for song thing that's going on, because I thought he had a diss track. Someone said I should react to Stormzy versus another art. I don't remember the other name right now off my head, but I think he had some kind of diss track thing going on with someone, right? My UK viewers, I guess so. I think this is one of the songs from it, or not? Is it? Or this is just him with his flow? Because this is kind of like his name, right? I don't know. I should have looked it up or researched it or something. Anyways, let's go. Let's see if I can get some more of these lyrics out there.
Don't be flexing in my bow. Nigga, you can't test me, I'm the GOAT.
Oh!
I got the pep.
Oh, don't go flexing it. I want to get that shit back. Oh, nigga, you can't test me, I'm the GOAT. Okay. Rolex collection looking dope. Oh, shit. Oh, this is, I got bars. Hold up. Hold on. Ready now?
Don't be flexing in my bow. Nigga, you can't test me, I'm the GOAT. Rolex collections looking dope. I got the Pepsi in the hole.
Oh, shit. Okay, cause that's what the person said now. This one got the lyrics, and I will understand and I will see how lyrical it really is. And trust me, yo, that shit hit. I ain't flexing on you niggas, cause I'd still be sexy if I'm broke. Oh shit! I wanna hear who says this in the accent though. And I ain't flexing on you niggas, cause I'll still be sexy if I'm broke. Listen, I ain't flexing on you, cause I'll still be if I'm broke. Do I get that right? Am I getting the UK pass right now, y'all? Like, you giving it to me or not? Come on.
And I ain't flexing on you niggas, cause I'll still be sexy if I'm broke.
Oh shit, nope. I didn't say nothing like that. How I say? I'm not flexing on your niggas, I'll still be Wait. Shut. I ain't flexing on your niggas, cause I'll still be sexy if I'm broke. No, you didn't say cause. Realize it, the cause is silent. It's in the lyrics, but it's silent as fucking is in the accent. Listen. And I am flexing on you niggas, cause I'll still be sexy if I'm broke. That's how we did it. I'm a boss.
Yeah, and I was made to win, like I'm designed to blow. We're doing major things, but it's a minor though. I used to pay for things, but that was time ago. When now I hit you niggas with the Wiley flow. Oh. I guess it's a Wiley flow. But anyways, let me touch back just now, because this nigga spit. Oh shit, he's going crazy. We're doing major things, but it's a minor though. It's a minor though. We're doing major thing, but it's a minor though. Oh hell no! Lyrics for days. Right, yeah, right. Who's over? Bro, wait there, and I was made to win, like I'm designed to blow. We're doing major things, but it's a minor though. I used to pay for things, but that was time ago.
Damn the nah. Oh, I'm doing major things, but it's a minor though. And I hit that nigga with the Wiley flow. So it's Wiley, it's not Willie. I see, it's a Wiley flow. It's like, wait. And now I hit you nigga with the Wiley flow. It's like,
when
how I hit you niggas with the Wiley flow. It's like bad 'em up once. Never could you take me for a dance.
Whoa, wait, he say bottom up once. Never could you take me for a dance. Is that what he just say? Oh shit, hold up. Let me see. Being on the scheme for 100 months.
Oh, when how I hit you niggas with the Wiley flow. It's like bad 'em up.
Wait, wait now. Bottom up once. This dude crazy. He going crazy, man. And I really don't want to make an extra long ass video, so I'm trying to cut this off soon. But damn.
Bad 'em up once. Never could you take me for a dance. Been on the scene for 100.
Oh, he said dance. I thought he said dance. Shit. So bottom up once. Never could you take me for a dance. Been on the scene for 100 months. Nigga, how you been on the music scene for 100 months? Been on the scene for 100 months.
Months. All I met is bare cunts. Take my
All I make is wear what? Cunts? Wait. Ain't cunt like a bad word? Shit.
Take me for a dance. Been on the scene
For 100 months.
All I met is bare cunts.
Oh shit, man. So all I met is bare cunts. Take me for a lunch. Damn. Yo. Oh my gosh, let me calm down, man. This dude is going crazy, yo. Every time I react to anything UK, I can never watch a full video because I'm trying to get what the fuck they're saying, man. And I don't really want to make an extra long video for you guys, so I'm gonna leave this one right here. I hope you all enjoy my little reactions or whatever. Please comment some more UK rappers you want me to check out. No, just comment Stormzy, because I know you guys have a hell of more UK rappers. I thought there was some more down in the comment section under my video, so I'm gonna check those out and see if see what's popping. But I hope they got lyrics like this one though. But I'll see what's popping. Okay guys, it's been your boy Tyrekejt, the reaction boss. I'm out.